Hello everybody, for all our handwritten notes and content, remember to join our WhatsApp community, and today I'm going to discuss a very important question of the day with all of you. Okay, now including this session, all the session notes will be available in our community, so definitely do join in if you have not joined, and also subscribe the channel if you still have not subscribed, because starting from now we are going to be there until you finish your board exams. Okay, now this is a very simple question. Okay, some dinosaurs had feathers but they could not fly, but birds have feathers and they can fly. So in the context of evolution, what does this mean? So if you see, dinosaur is actually a reptile, okay, and birds are nothing but aves. Okay, so if you see, reptiles had feathers but they didn't use it to fly, and then they evolved into birds which can fly. So this means what? Reptiles evolved from birds? No, because the birds are the ones that can use the organ better than the reptiles, right? And also evolutionary connection cannot be determined, cannot be the correct answer, and homologous structure is also not the correct answer. Birds evolved from reptiles will be the right answer, because being a reptile, they developed an organ and further evolved to use the organ into a bird. Okay, so we just sometimes believe that dinosaurs didn't completely die. They just evolved into a better species, which we see in today's, present day birds. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Option D will be the right answer. Now, this may sound like a very fun, interesting fact, but in turn, it is also a very, very important board question. Okay, so I hope this was useful to all of you. Definitely do subscribe the channel if you still have not subscribed, and definitely do follow us on all the question of the day series, because it will be very, very helpful to you. Now, our fast track batch is right now having a 15% discount for all of you, so use the code MEGA15 if you are planning to write the NEET 2026 and you're interested in joining the fast track batch. And also for the 12th standard students, we have our Talabadi batch, which is also having a 30% off right now, and along with that, our Vetri batch for the repeaters is also having a Mega 30 offer right now. So use this coupon code and get the course if you are aiming for the NEET 2026 batch. So I hope this session was useful to all of you. Like I said, definitely do join our WhatsApp community to get all the updated notes and all the content that you need for your revision. Okay, so I hope this was useful to all of you. I'll see you all in the next class very soon. All the best.